Hi, this is Dr. Anthony Yee. I'm sharing my technique for minimally invasive bunion surgery, specific to the Lapidus and the midfoot fusions. Here's a patient with a severe bunion deformity with metatarsus primus varus and midfoot arthritis. I'm using a 6400 beaver blade to perform a lateral percutaneous release. I'm checking the lateral release under stress x-ray here. I'm using a MIS burr to perform a first TMT joint prep, using a clamp to reduce the bunion deformity. I'm placing the guide wire for the 3.5 Arthrex FT compression screw retrograde, checking the lateral view to make sure I'm happy with the positioning, placing an antegrade wire across the joint, and again checking the lateral view to make sure I'm happy with the positioning, placing the 3.5 millimeter FT compression screws sequentially, locating the second TMT joint prep, and now the third TMT joint prep with the burr, placing a retrograde wire across the second tarsometatarsal joint, and then the third tarsometatarsal joint in a retrograde fashion as well. Checking the lateral view to make sure I'm happy with my positioning, and then placing the screws across the second and third tarsometatarsal joints. Then locking in the fixation by placing another screw across the first metatarsal into the cuneiforms. Here's a final oblique radiograph and a final lateral view. Here's the pre-op and post-op side by side. Thanks for watching.